Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti Khetan and you're watching Arcandy. This is the part 7 of my series Thesis in Architecture. In the previous video, I have discussed about selection, proposal, approval of topic, site selection and literature review and site analysis, case studies and comparative analysis and program formulation. Today entirely I will talk about the concept development. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then please watch them. I will put the link in the description box below. And please watch them and you will come to this video, then you will understand this video in a better way. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. It is the preliminary phase of design where you bring out the concept in the form of words and sketches. It is the process of developing ideas to solve specified design problems. It can be formless idea to precise message in an appropriate form with supportive visuals and contents. It is the foundation of your design. All the design begins with a concept. It is the seed that has a sketch of your idea's origin. You can use different colors to make it attractive. It contains the collection of images and written statement. It can be described as an approach to design. Concept can be derived from form, size, colors and any other specific speciality. Concept development also depends on client vision and budget. It supports the project's unique characteristics and restrictions. There are different types of concepts, and the types of concepts are analogies, metaphors, essence, programming concept, ideals. First, let's discuss about the analogies. It is the transferring information from a particular subject to another subject to take the same shape of something without any change, to make a structure of building from shape or something, or mix of both. The example can be the face house in Japan. 2. Metaphors. It is the imagination to interpret. Example can be the Notre Dame. It is the transformation of intangible aspects into a visual image in the metaphoric process. The chapel idea is the sheep, but viewer interpret it with different ways like bird and hat. The another example for this can be the Sydney Opera House. It is the characterization of an organic shape. Another example can be the Lotus Temple at New Delhi. Third, essence. Something can also be the result of discovering and identifying roots of an issue, distilling to the essence to bring out the major aspects of information. Example can be the skyscraper. 4. The programming concept. It refers to an abstract ideas intended mainly as functional solutions to clients' performance problems without regret to the physical response. Develop any abstract ideas that are functional solutions to the problems. It is to accomplish this, problems should be identified in terms of function, form, economy and time. 5. Number the ideals. It represents the highest aspiration and goals of the architect. Example can be the Olympic Park of Munich, the soap bubble experiment for the form finding of minimal surfaces. This is how we develop the concept in architecture. So this much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Bye bye.